I'm audible, right? Sorry for delay. Uh, I think hope you are listening my audio, right? So today we'll be discussing about this Linux hardening, right? I think you are aware about how this hardening has been done with respect to the Windows. So now we will be seeing how this hardening can be done with respect to your for the Linux machines. Okay. Yeah. So so can you able to see my screen, Linux machine
Yes,
or my
yes,
Linux VM?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so yeah, so in my case, I'm using a Ubuntu 64-bit 18.04. Okay, it's an 18.04 LTS. Okay, so this is my file which I downloaded from the internet. Let me just show you that file. Okay, so this is my syscat file which is with respect to the Linux. Okay, so when I open there is some 9 files which will be appearing in my folder. So you have to run this sys-get bat file. Okay. So how to install this thing is you have to go to the suppose Control Shift T. Okay. You have to go to the desktops. Okay. How to go to the desktop is like suppose your file is there. Okay. So this is my file which is already there. Okay. So these are 3 files with respect to my systems. Okay. So then again I have to execute this command bash sys. So I'm just popping this command into the chart. Okay. Okay. Bash cis hyphen cat hyphen sh. Okay. So I think you are able to see my command from the chat. See, I think all the members have downloaded this syscat lite tool for Linux or not. I think you have the VM machine, virtual machine for Linux. If it is not there, I think you can just see my screen. So, I think screen is visible for you, right? Are you able to see my VM, right?
It is visible, but I'm not. I'm waiting for the participants' response.
Okay, ठीक है, done. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So this is my tool actually, which we have done for the same in case of Windows. Okay. So so now in my case, I am using as a this my destination machine or my the target machine is in Linux. Okay, Ubuntu flavor. Okay. So I just executed going to the command. I just went to the so this is my command. So suppose okay cd so ls cd desktop. Okay, enter. So in under the desktop I have some list of files. Okay, so this is my zip file which I have downloaded from the internet, right? Syscat full bundle and version 3. Okay, so when I unzip it I got this file. Okay, syscat hyphen full. That means I have to go to that command. First of all you have to do the sudo. What do you mean by sudo? Can anyone can tell from what do you mean by sudo? It's an admin for getting your administrative privilege, right? So for getting the administrative privilege, I'm just executing the command sudo -s. Okay, sudo so ls cd. Okay, ls. So this is my files where I have benchmarks, batch files, syscat jar file, and there is one script. Okay, so I have to execute this script file. Okay, bash. Okay, script file. So you have to type this command bash space cis hyphen cat dot sh. Dot sh is nothing but your script file. Okay, so as soon as you hit enter, so you will be prompted to the screen. Okay, so this is my screen. So you can see like syscat hyphen 2. This is the syscat pro accessor version. Okay, so then again my tool interface will be opened here. Okay, so I think you are able to see my screen, right? So this is my this thing. Yeah. So benchmarks, under the benchmark, what I have to select here? My OS is Ubuntu 18.04, right? So if you want to cross check the what is your OS, so you can do it. Okay. What is the command? Uname -r. Okay. Uname -r gives you the kernel version, right? So for seeing your OS, what is the command? What is the command you use? What is the command you use for seeing your this thing? Please tell me from the chat. Can anyone can tell? So my case, in my case, I have to see what is the this thing. So you have to execute cat etc/etc os hyphen release. Okay. So can anyone can tell what is my OS here? What is the OS I'm using? I'm using a 16.04 LTS, right? This is my version, and the name of the OS is Ubuntu. Okay. And my name of the version is 16.046 LTS, and the theoretical name for this is Xenial Versus, and the Debian version. Okay. So you can download it from the ubuntu.com, and if any bugs are there, you can go to the bug site and you can download it. Okay. So these are the some of the settings you have to enable from your side. Okay. So I think hope you are listening, right? Okay. So as soon as you just enter into these things, so in my benchmark, I have to select the Ubuntu 16.04, right? Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. I have selected Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. Okay. So the next thing you can click start the assessment. Okay. Under the profile one, you can select. In my case, I am selecting that one workstation. Okay. Because since my system is workstation, so I am using a workstation level 1. Click next, and you can start the assessment here. Okay. See, like it is saved here. Okay. Roots is in, and start the assessment. What if I choose a wrong option? So if you choose a wrong option, so you'll not get that results proper, sir. I mean, like if it is a workstation, you have to select the workstation. If it is a solely a server, means server kind of steps will be displayed there. Okay. Start assessment. So your assessment has been started. So there are some around 181 checks are there with respect to the Linux hardening. So it takes some time for assessing your all your configurations and all your checkings and all those things. Okay. So this is the one of the tool actually which you can practice in your virtual machines or in your this thing. Okay. So it will take some time to choose. So these are the some of the hardening, or if you check your vulnerabilities kind of thing, you can thoroughly check what is your system score and what is your whether the configurations have been secure or not, or whether it has to be changed as per the secure guidelines or not. Okay. So yeah. So we'll check each and every one. So let me just check it out what exactly it is giving. So this assessment has been started. So I think 181 checks have been done. Okay. So what is the questions you were supposed to start? Vaishak, yes, Vaishak will be started. I think after this session we will start. Okay. Yeah, generating the reports. Okay. So view reports. Will be saved onto the desktop. So you can close it, this part. Okay. So this is my file, HTML file. Okay. So this is my assessment report. So I think you're able to see the report, right? Are you able to see my screen or not? So the same thing actually, if you are done for that Windows also, no? The same thing is there, but minor changes are there. Like we'll see like manually how to enable or disable. Okay. Suppose in my case, the ensure mounting of CRAM file system is disabled. It is given as a failed, right? So we have to go to this website. Okay. We have to go to this command actually. Okay, /etc/mos this thing, and you have to check whether it is enabled or not. Okay.